This video will show you how to use the information about an element on the periodic table to draw a simple sketch of one atom of that element according to the Bohr model. In this video, we will be drawing a helium atom. First, we need to gather information about the number of protons and neutrons going into our sketch. The number of protons in an atom determines which element that atom is classified as. This number is called the atomic number and is usually listed on the periodic table above the element's symbol. The number below the elemental symbol is called the atomic mass. This is the weight of one atom of that element measured in atomic mass units. Protons and neutrons each contribute 1 AMU to the total mass. In this video, the mass of helium has been rounded to the whole number representing the most common isotope of helium here on Earth. If this number is not a whole number, it's showing the average mass of that type of atom found on our planet. This information helps us determine the relative abundance of the different isotopes of that element occurring in nature. With some simple math, we can calculate the number of protons and neutrons we need for our helium atom and start to draw its nucleus. We will use a plus to label protons because they have a positive charge, and an N for neutrons because they are neutral and have no charge. Next, we will add in our electrons in the appropriate number of electron shells. If the atom has no overall positive or negative charge, then the negative charges from our electrons must perfectly balance the positive charges from the protons in the nucleus. In this case, our atom is not an ion, so we'll add 2 electrons into the first electron shell and label them with a minus sign to show their negative charge. If we had any more electrons, we would have to start adding them into a second electron shell, as the first shell can only hold 2 electrons. Each additional electron shell can hold up to 8 electrons. By following this process, we can now draw any of the first 20 elements on the periodic table.